Hello children, all of you are doing good. Okay, so today we are going to do exercise on Indian number system, large numbers. What we are going to cover in today's exercise: how to convert from number name to numeral or from numeral to number name, how to put period in the number, or how to identify a particular digit in which period it is. Okay. So all these things already I have taken and explained in a separate class. For what, the link is given in the description section below for this particular video. So what I will advise you, you look into that particular class and then you come to this exercise, then it will be easier for you to understand. Otherwise also, if you know already, you can straight away do this exercise. Okay, so let's start. So before doing the exercise, before starting the exercise, let me just show you once again the place value chart up to 10 crores. All these things already I have explained in the in my earlier class. For what, the link is given already in the description section. So you look into the top two rows. One is units, ones, 100, that covers 1, tens and 100, right? Then in thousands you have 1000, 10,000. The period will be there after 1000. That is the first period. Second period is after lakhs. Under lakhs, what it is there? 1 lakh and 10 lakh. And the third period will be under crores. What is coming under crores? 1 crore and 10 crore. So in Indian number system, for 10 digit number, so maximum how many number of periods you can have? 1 after 1000, 1 after lakhs, 1 after crores. So total 3 periods. So what we will do, when we will read out or write a number name from a given numeral, we look into the period first, so that you can identify what are the numbers in which period, what is there under 1000, how much it is there under lakhs, how much it is there under crores. Okay, so now in this exercise number 1, I will not do all the problems, but I will cover few of the problems here, right? So what it is there? 1A, first period, here it is. That means 43 after 1000. The first period from right to left, it is 1000. That means 43 is under 1000. Second period 21. That means 21 is under lakhs. And third period, that is 1 under crore. So how you will read out this number? 1 crore under lakhs, it is 21. 21 lakh, not lakhs. 21 lakh. Under 1000, it is 43. So first period 1 crore, second period from left to right, you will read out or write the number always from left to right, right? So from left to right, first period we can see here it is crore, second is under lakhs, and third is for 1000. So 1 crore 21 lakh 43,654. So I am not writing these numbers, I am reading out the number and you can write it on your own. So okay. Now I will come to the second one. So how we can do? So first period from right to left, when you will mark this, you will check it from right to left, what are the periods, so that you can understand how many periods are there. So it is total 3 periods. That means 1, 2, 3. You have total 3 periods. That means from right to left, 1 is for 1000, 1 is for lakh, 1 is for crores. So 21 crores, I am writing it down. So how you will read out or write the number? First you look into the period, identify in which period what number it is there. So we can see under crores, that's the third period from right to left, or from left to right, the first period, right? That is 21. So you first identify 1000, lakh, crore, looking into the period from right to left. First period 1000 from left to right, second period lakh, 9 lakh, third period is crore, right? So 1000, lakh, crore you have identified. Now you will write the number from left to right. 21 crore 9 lakh 54,378, right? So next we will come to D. So okay, first period it is 1000, second period it is lakhs, and third period it is crore. So it will be 80 crore 50 lakh 50,000 550. So always look into the periods, it will be easier for you to read out the number, right, or write the number. 80 crore 50 lakh 50,000 550. Okay, so now number name to, so numeral to number name or numeral to in words, you can do it, right? Look into the periods from right to left. You identify in which period how much it is there. For 1000, how many periods? 1000, lakh, crore. Everywhere we are seeing it is crore. It could be only from 1000. It could be, the number could be like this. So it is only one period. If the number is like this, only two periods. Not necessarily always 10 digits, all 10 digits will be there. It could be any number of digits. That is why I am saying you always identify the periods looking into right from left, right? Once you identify the position for each period, then you read out the number from left to right. Okay, version. One thing I have told already in my earlier class, you need to remember carefully that for numeral to number name, when from number name to numeral, when you will convert, make sure for 1000 or lakh, if you have one digit, then in that case you need to put 0 on the left. If you have 19 lakhs, you will write down 19, 2 digit, it is already. But if you say, if it is there 9 lakh, that means 09 you need to write for lakh, because 0 will be under 10 lakhs and 9 will be under 1 lakh. So you need to remember this, point number 1. Point number 2, up to once, if there is nothing mentioned for any specific place, that means you need to assume in that place you will put the value 0. You cannot leave any place blank. So these two are thumb rules whenever you will write the numeral from the number name, right? Let's see for this example, and you don't need to read out the entire number name at a time. Just one by one place you write, just read and write. 88 crore, 8 crore, that means 8. After crore we know one period will be there, one period. After crore what it is there? It should be lakhs. So 17 lakh it is there, 72 digit number, that means straight away we will put 70. And after lakh one period will be there. Then after lakh 1000 should be there, it is there, yeah, 50,000 it is there. So all the places are there or not, we need to check one after another, and also it is 2 digit or 1 digit for 1000 or lakh. So it is 50,000, 2 digit, 50. And then 680, one period after 1000, 680, 680. Okay, B. Next, 4 crore, just one at a time. 4 crore, 4. So after crore, one period. Then 9 lakh. Here you can see under for lakh it is one digit number. That means it should be 09. 0 will be under 10 lakh, 9 will be under lakh. Right? After lakh there will be one period. Then after lakh should be 1000. It is there? Yeah, 24,000, 2 digit. That means straight away we will put 24. After 1000 one period. And then 496. 496. Okay. Another example. 10 crore, it is 10. Then one period. Lakh, yes, 12 lakh. So it is 12. Then period. Then 36,000. That means 2 digit, 36. One period. 225. So 225. Now coming to this one, D and D. 66,000. I will not do this, is very simple. 80 crore 75,000. 80 crore. 80, one period. After crore it should be lakh. Is there anything lakh? No. That means if there is nothing in lakh, you cannot leave it blank. It should be 0. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 1 0 for 10 lakh, 1 0 for 1 lakh. 75,000. After lakh it is 1000. Yes, 1000 it is there. How many digit? 2 digits, 75. So 75. One period after 1000, 75,000, 000. Done? So you understand, these two are the thumb rules. You cannot leave any place blank even though it is not said. In that case, you need to put the 0. How many zeros? You need to check. For lakh, if it is 1 digit, it should be 0, should be in 10 lakh. In lakh, if it is 2 digit, straight away you will put the digit. In lakh, nothing is mentioned. That means there will be 2 zeros, one for 10 lakh, one for 1 lakh. That is what it is there. Same thing for 1000 also. Let's say if it is told 80 crore 200, that means in lakh 2 zeros. If there is no 1000, that means in zeros 10,000 1 0, 1,000 1 0. So in 1000 also 2 zeros, and then 200, whatever it is, so 200, right? Then we'll move to period. Write the number 5. Write the period of the digit underlined in each of the following. That means in which digit is underlined here, you need to identify in which period it is there, because we know one period is for crores, one period for lakhs, one period for 1000. So in which period it is there? We know first period is for 1000, second period is for lakhs, and third period it is for crores. So 7 is underlined digit. In which period it is there? It is in lakhs period. So you need to write down lakhs, right? B, underlined is 8. Which period it is there? First period, second period, third period. First period for 1000, second period for lakhs, third period for crores. So it should be 8 is under crores. Underlined digit is 8. Under which period? First period. First period means thousands. So here you will write down in plural, because the period is in plurals from lakhs. In the Indian number system, if you see, thousands, lakhs and crores, but when you will write down the number name, there you need to put singular digit, not plural. Okay, here for period you will write down in plural, thousands. 6, under which period? First period, second period, third period. That means crores. It is actually 16 crores, right? So 6 is under crores, third period. Right? Here in question number 7, we'll cover question number 7. Write the period and place value of the underlined digits in the following. So we'll do this column for today. Only write down the period. Place value we'll do in the second class, where we'll cover place value, and also on top of that we'll do expansion and compact, right, on that particular video. Here we will just write down the period. So what it is? 6, underline digit is 6. So which period it is there? First period, second period, third period, means crores. 6, this 6 is also under third period. That means it will also be crores. 8 under first period means thousands. 7 under after first period, that means units or ones. And on top of that you can write down 100. Okay, units or ones, that's it. 4, that is in the under second period, first, second, right? So second period means lakhs, right? So that is how you need to put the periods, and when you will also write down the numeral, you will convert from number name to numeral. There also you need to put the period positively. So now I hope you understood very clearly. So if you have liked this video, please click on the like button. If you would like to have this kind of lecture or exercise session again and again for different chapters in a simpler way, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.